Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
For all y'all enjoyment, a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for wifey. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We could drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Swing around like you stupid, king of the town. Yeah, I've been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Do the smurf, do the wop baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. Made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. Made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? They shooting. Made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters? Where them dimes at? They shooting. Made you look. You a slave to a page in my.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Slurring, everybody start looking for the shoes. That Grey Goose got your girl feeling loose. Now I'm wishing that I didn't wear these shoes. It's like every time I get up on the do, paparazzi put my business in the news, and I'ma get up on my face, or I turn around and spray your ass with mace. My lipstick, you wanna have to taste. You got that? I got the face. How come every time you come around my London bridge wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London,
grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now,
Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window downtown, don't lie. Got the hazard on the phone fire. You can touch me, ain't wrong.
now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. This is going to be the second affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Apply a second layer of gel polish.
You can touch me, tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window downtown, don't lie. Got the hazard on the phone fire. You can catch me.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer. Now, cure your press-on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
People always talk about all the things they're wrong about. Write it on a piece of paper. Got a feeling I'll see you later. There's something about this. Let's keep it moving. And if it's good, let's just get something cooking. 'Cause I really wanna rock with you. I'm feeling so.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
I don't
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
kind of superstar. 'Cause you got all eyes on you no matter where you are. Baby, take a look around. Everybody's getting down. Deal with all the problems later. Bad boys on their best behavior. There's something about you. Let's keep it moving. And if it's good, let's just get something cooking. 'Cause I really wanna rock with you. I'm feeling some connection to the things you do. I don't know what it
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
'Cause you got all eyes on you no matter where you are.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. At home, saving money, self-care nails, and finished. Hey Goddess Babes, sanitary is extremely important, so Always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client. Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.
You say my name.